2023.4 introduces performance improvements and several exciting new features for HR Development Path, event handlers, TMS Web, and more. For our first feature, we added a new resource record item preference to define the initial issue date of the first record item completed in the HR Dev path. The used as HR Development Path initial issue date preference will allow reporting on more HR Development Path data. Over on the Event Handler page, we added two new actions, the OAuth authentication actions, server and client. You can use these actions to obtain an access token from an OAuth authorization server. That authorization can be used by other actions like the HTTP request action. Our last 2023.4 feature can be found on the TMS Web schedule page. Expanding on the month view we added with version 2023.3, you can now check the events you're assigned to in a more detailed week view. For more information on the 2023.4 features, visit your Mint manual.